Good afternoon, guys. If you're an Inside Track Club member, March 2026 is your month. We're looking at deals up to 57% off today. I've filtered out everything under 25% savings so you only see the absolute best blue tag values. The heavy hitters, if you need a TV mount, we have the Armstrong TV mount, normally $34.99. Hey man, they got this thing for $14.99. ITC members get this deal. You don't have to show the coupon. You just carry it up there and check out with it. Then we have the Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case. This large black case is down from $39.99 to $24.99. That's 37% off. Perfect for cameras, drones, sensitive gear. I have a couple of these cases where I have my pistols in them, ammunition. So there's a variety of uses. The inside has little tear pieces so you can tear out and custom the area you want to fit in. Then there's a US General 30-in-1 drawer service cart. Normally $139.99. Hey, ITC members get it for $89.99. You're saving a flat 50 bucks, a 35% discount on one of the most popular shop items. Next, there's a Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump. Normally, it's $199.99, but right now, the ITC price, $139.99. That's a great price on a rapid pump jack. That's 30% off, a high-quality lifting power. Then there's some sandpaper. Hercules 9x11 2000 grit wet and dry sanding sheets. Hey, pick them up. Instead of paying $7.99, grab them for $4.59. That's roughly 42% off. You can't have too much sandpaper sitting around. Next, there's the Bauer 20-volt cordless 3/8" ratchet. If any of you have the batteries already, this is a tool only, but it's down to $44.99 from $59.99. That's exactly 25% off to help you expand your Bauer platform. Next, they got a great deal on Pittsburgh vehicle dollies. Normally, these things are like $64.99. Right now, a pair of them are $39.99. You're saving 38%. You might want to check it out. Do you need a puller set? Pittsburgh has their 3-jaw puller set at ITC price from $39.99 down to $29.99. Clean 25% discount. Also, check out the Pittsburgh SAE or metric folding hex key set. Hey, you can get either one for $4.96, down from $7.99. It don't hurt to have these in your glove box, in your tackle box, in your toolbox. I mean, at $4.96, you can buy several. Next, we got the Quinn 1/2-inch drive SAE impact deep socket set. It's from $31.99. A solid 28% off, gets you down to $24.99. Hey, these things work great. I've had a set for years. I don't use them every day. I'm not an auto technician, but every time I've used them, they've done the job for me. Next, we have the Kenway magnetic LED wireless towing kit. I have one of the old incandescent type. It's been great for the years, but I'm looking at this one now. Regularly, this thing is $149.99 down to $119.99. 25% savings, 50 bucks off. If you need a good towing kit, LED should last you a long, long time. Then they have an actual greenhouse. If you're interested, I've always been curious about one, but I haven't ever pulled the trigger. But they have one regular, $899.95, now $699.95. If you need that greenhouse, hey, I advise you to go by and check it out. These deals run through early April. If you aren't a member yet, just one of these big items like the greenhouse or the racing jack pays for the membership twice over. Let me know in the comments what deal you're heading in for, or if maybe you want me to drop down to 20%. I'm just trying to catch the biggest deals now for you that don't have time to look at the flyers or you don't have time to go to the website, well, I'm giving it to you right here. Here's the best deals I see on ITC. If you like this video, or if you'd like to see others, maybe another topic, I plan to check out some of the other retailers. But right now, Harbor Freight is having some great deals, and I just thought I'd share them with you. If you would, like and subscribe, watch to the end, and I'll see you on the next video. Y'all take care.